Happy Friday evening. Hey family. Ready with Simply Me Journey. Well, guys, I made it back to Louisiana today about 4 o'clock. I left. Let's see, oh shoot, I forgot what time I'm now. Maybe about 12, I think, at the latest. And guess what's here? Yeah, family. The shower kit is here. Yep, I pulled up and I seen it. I'm like, oh, thank you so much. Yes, my shower kit is here. Kit assembly. Fragile gas do not double stack. Handle with care. Yep. It's here. 32-inch shower door. Shower wall. And this is the glass, I guess, at the top. Yep. Finally made it. Let's see. When did it come in? Well, almost maybe it got here today. Oh, I didn't even take this out. The shipping stuff. Use the shipping stuff here. Tracking. Yeah, I ordered this thing exactly a month, well, September 23rd when I ordered it. Let me see. Let's get this paper out too. Alrighty. Yep, 3 pieces. I guess the top is fragile glass, yeah. This is the glass. But it's showing something else on top. Let's see. This thing come from Quebec, Canada? Yeah, this thing came from Canada. No wonder it took so long to get it. Almost a whole month. Due date October 3rd. 186 pounds. Well, y'all know I'm not going to pick this up and bring it inside. Not. It's going to have to stay out here. I already gassed up my generator. It was half full, so I just went and got me a tank full. I mean, yeah, the thing full. So I'm going to put this blue tarp back on top of it. You see, I'm gonna put this tarp back over it. Yep, y'all, finally home. Let me see. So Monday I came to Houston on Monday. It's that Wednesday, Sunday evening. Had a doctor's appointment for Tuesday. Missed one of them. Wednesday, 8 o'clock, got the truck packed up. Headed on back. Packed the truck up. By 1 o'clock we headed out to Houston. 1:30, something like that. We headed to Houston. To Louisiana to unload my stuff, and we got here by 6 o'clock and unloaded the truck and put everything in storage. Next day, took the U-Haul truck up here to the little U-Haul place. Yeah, I was messing with my generator. Like I said, I've gassed it up. Well, my grass is not that tall, but I'm thinking about getting the guy to come out and shave it down a little bit closer, because it's really pretty much domain, I think, because I don't see any much growth in it. Some areas, yes, but most areas, no. Like this tree, it's gone bending on over. I didn't see any more trees that tumbled after that one right there. So, yeah. It feels nice out here. I don't know what the temperature is. It feels really, really nice. So now, guys, I got my shower, got my vanity, my toilet. I have my kitchen stuff in storage, my kitchen cabinets, my sink, the faucet top for the sink. I have all that. Only thing I'm missing out is my water heater and whatever goes with the water heater hose and all that, and my flooring. So all of my stuff will be getting the flooring next month for sure. And I think I'll put the flooring down before we do the put the cabinetries and all. Well, before we do the cabinets and all that, we put the flooring down. I'm just out here looking at this here. Yeah. Yeah, that tree is huge. It is so big. It's huge. Let me see how far out I can go. I can go out far, no. You can see. I have my boots on. I don't have my snake boots on. I have my ankle boots. Oh, okay. Kojo or Mojo, whatever his name is, he's following me. I don't see Chester. I hadn't seen Chester at all. Y'all, that tree have a big old hole in the center of it. The big one that they cut. Get from behind me. Let me see. See that tree? It has a big hole right in the center. So it's about rotten anyway. Yeah, where's Chester? I haven't seen Chester at all today. He haven't been out here. Chester's the German Shepherd. Come on, bug. Don't start bothering me right now. Not in the mood for no bugs. I picked up me some food in Houston at Kroger's. They have some good chicken, habanero chicken. And I got chicken and ambrosia salad and some other kind of corn, sweet something corn. It was good. And I've never seen a dog pee without cocking his legs up. I look back at Mojo, Kojo, whatever his name is. Let me see, what's this dog's name? Kojo? I think I'm right. Okay, but don't you go pee on that. You get away from it. You want to pee on everything. Get out of the way. Move. Sniffing and smelling. Get back. Move. Don't be, look at him sniffing and smelling on stuff. You pee on my box, I'm gonna catch him in the air and bust him down. You peeing on everything because you want to pee. This ain't your property. Go to your dad. Go home. Go home, Kojo, Mojo, whatever. Go home to your dad. Yeah. No, he been over here since I got in. I got home, and a little bit after I pulled up, here he come out the bushes. And yeah, okay, family. So it is time for us to get to work. So we're gonna be doing installation and stuff real soon. Get back. I don't know what I'm gonna do with him. I'm gonna bust him down. But yeah, I'm happy finally got the shower in. And like I say, the flooring and the hot water heater is the last things that I need to get. Yes. So I've been really buying stuff and trying to get this stuff together, because I said this month, October, November was going to be the month for me to try to get as many things purchased as possible. And yep, got it. So the water guy want to come out and start digging, and I got to get some clarification, because what he sounded like from day one is that he want to charge $4,500 just to dig a hole and pump up some water. And no, because it's supposed to be a water tank and all that. So I talked to him. I said, well, you said that you want to charge for just drilling the water. Well, I can come back later for the pump. No, we're not going to double charge, Miss Nettie. We're not. So I got to get clarification, because he was like, yeah, I can come back and put the water pump and this, that. I just want to go down and dig since the ground is hard. And the other fella in another location, he's going to dig, pull the water up. He can go over 100 up to 200 feet without charging me extra money. And he was going to have the water tank, the pump, all of that for $4,300. So that's why I said this other guy, you know, I got to have everything. I'm not going to spend $4,500 and you're just going to dig a hole and pump up water. We're not going to do that. Because I already know I got another guy on standby that said he can put everything down for $4,300. So, what y'all think? Get the one gonna give me more for my money, or get the one just want to just come and pump and make $4,500 and go? I'm not gonna do that. But anyway, family, I'm not gonna keep y'all much. I know this iPad is just bopping up and down. I don't have my earpiece in. I just come to show you guys that I received my shower kit, and I'm getting ready to go and cover it up. And okay, let's go through a little walkthrough in the cabin. Y'all see what I got going on in here. Nothing's on right now. I have not turned on any lights and electric or anything. But guess what? When I brought this out of my storage, and I bought a satellite dish thing or an antenna to see if it's gonna work. So I'm gonna hook that up tonight. And y'all, I got blankets on top of blankets, okay? I went here and remade my bed and put some more stuff under my bed so it could be, you know, on the bed so it could be more plush. And this is just a lot of, I'm gonna take some of these blankets and put it in the car, take them back to the storage. Here go my workout mat. I'm gonna start getting up in the mornings and doing my stretches. I can't find my stretch bands that's in the car. And I also bought some Raptors. Those black things there, ceiling Raptors. So those will help with ventilation in your attic. Well, I don't have much of an attic, but I'm still going to use them. Okay. So this is what the inside look like. A bit junky right now. Tomorrow I'll get things straightened out. And my installation right there, sheetrock. Yeah, I got a lot going on. I don't have much room to do anything, but trust me, it's workable. So I know when we get ready to start working in here, I'm gonna have to pull some of this stuff up out of here, out of the way. That's fine. I'll take that blue tarp, lay it out, put that stuff on there, and we can rock and roll. All right, family, Nettie, Sip to Me Journey, and it's what? It's about your journey. Family, thanks for watching my video. Please hit that like and subscribe button and share. If you want to give me some information, advice, or whatever, go ahead. We'll look at it. And one day, family, I'm gonna come in. I'm gonna do a live chat. I tried to do it a few days ago, but I didn't have good connection. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it out here because I tried once before. It was really shoddy and not that good. So maybe one day soon I want to do a live in here. But once I get the electrical, then I'll go ahead and get me some internet. All right, fam. Love you guys. Y'all be blessed. I want y'all to be blessed. Blessed beyond your imagination. Do good and good will come to you. Bye.